Hello, today I'll be keeping things short and sweet with a very quick overview of the beef and lamb markets in the first few weeks of the year. To start with, let's have a look at the beef market. The prime beef price continues to remain under pressure in the first few weeks of the year, with the price trending below both the 5-year average and the 2018 price. The current price is around 350 pence per kilo. The prime cattle price remains under pressure as supplies remain plentiful, with BCMS data in January recording an increase in cattle on the ground compared to 2018. Cow prices, however, have been on the rise recently, with supplies generally a bit tighter than prime cattle after high culling rates in the previous year. The price has started the year off from a low base though, and is still below both the 5-year average and the 2018 price. As expected, cow slaughterings eased off in January, down around 7% compared to the previous year. Overall, despite higher prime cattle throughputs, production was slightly down in January and totalled 80,000 tonnes. Moving on to the lamb sector, prices started off the year relatively high, however have been yo-yoing a bit since then. Most recently, the price has been tracking downwards, currently averaging around 190 pence per kilo in the live weight ring, with market reports suggesting an oversupply of heavy lambs. This is likely weighing on the market after a winter that has so far been relatively kind. As predicted, throughputs for much of the year so far have been down, both in the auction market and in deadweight slaughterings. Brexit uncertainty is potentially making the market a bit unsure at the moment, considering the implications that could be placed on the sheep meat sector. To find out more about that, follow the link in the description. Looking forwards, Brexit will continue to add uncertainty until something more concrete develops. However, putting aside a no-deal scenario for a minute, there is likely to be a tighter supply in April, with Easter and Ramadan falling within 2 weeks of each other and fewer lambs carried over from the previous year. That's it for this whistle-stop tour of the beef and lamb markets. If you would like to read more in-depth analysis for both sectors each week, you can sign up to the weekly newsletter on the email address below.